Today I'll cover the top excuses people use to not buy hearing aids. Excuse number 2, you can't hear on the phone with a hearing aid. If you're using hearing aids correctly, voices on the phone should sound more clear and be easier to understand. It depends on the position of the phone against the hearing aid. For a behind-the-ear hearing aid, hold the phone up about an inch higher next to the hearing aid microphone on top. For an in-the-ear hearing aid, hold the phone against your ear just like normal. Many of today's hearing aids can automatically stream phone calls and allows the phone to be heard directly in both ears. This provides improved word clarity and speech understanding during your phone conversation.